Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username or your gamer tag on your Hearthstone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the battle.net application on your device, and once you open it up, make sure that you are logged in if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page, from which you can directly start exploring and playing various different games. Now, if you wish to change your username or your gamer tag within your Hearthstone game, then click on your user ID at the top right corner. You will now see the Change Battle Tag button, which you can click on in order to change your battle tag. If you don't find this option within the app, you can change your battle tag once for free. So if you see the $10 icon, you can still click on it and then click Change My Battle Tag. You will now be able to edit your battle tag right away. Click on Update and now enter the battle tag that you wish to change into. After typing it in, click on the Change button, and now your username or battle tag within your Hearthstone game will be changed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the battle tag or your username on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.